Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a first-person game in Roblox. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So creating a first-person game in Roblox involves using the Roblox Studio, the platform's game development environment. So here's a general outline of the steps to make a simple first-person game. So first of all, open Roblox Studio. So launch the Roblox Studio on your computer, then create a new place. Click on New in the top left corner to create a new place or a game. Then insert a starter character. In the Explorer panel on the right side, right-click on the starter player and choose Insert Object. Then, insert a humanoid and camera into the starter player. Now build the environment. So use the tools in the Home tab to build the environment for your game. You can add terrain, objects, and buildings to create your game world. Now, create a script. Click on the Script tab to open the script editor. Write a script to control the first-person camera, movement, and player controls. Now, test your game. Click on the play button to test your game in Roblox Studio. You can move around using the WASD keys and look around using the mouse. Lastly, save and publish. Once you are satisfied with your first-person game, save it and publish it to the Roblox platform so other players can play it. Keep in mind that this is a basic outline and there are many other elements you can add to enhance your first-person game, such as weapons, enemies, objectives, and more. Additionally, you may want to optimize your game and add additional features like animations and sound effects. To learn more about scripting in Roblox and creating more advanced first-person games, you can explore the Roblox Developer Hub, which provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and examples. Experimenting, learning from other developers, and iterating on your designs will help you improve and create more complex and engaging first-person games in Roblox. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!